We are out here in Utah walking dogs today. The Frenchies that I was talking about in Tonga. He's got a pit bull Labrador mix. Beautiful day here in Salt Lake, for sure. Mountain tips are all melted away on this mountains, but the higher elevations still have them. Beautiful trail to walk on. Goes over the river.
Chloe, slow down.
Yep.
Chloe, slow down, mama. Go, 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 go.
Beautiful scenery, that's for sure. Love coming to Salt Lake City. Love coming to visit my relatives and cousins and friends.
Slow down, Chloe.
I love it out here. Pick up the pace a little bit. Oh, I always think about in the airports to walk up to people as a prank and, can I tie your shoelace? Would you mind if I tie your shoelace? See how many will let me and how many will get away from me.
Oh, yeah, she is. The one pulling. Still good, though. She's not
Now, if I could get the lead guy to slow down a little bit, I'll get in front of him and get a view of him walking towards me.
Almost. There we go.
It's definitely a beautiful day here in Salt Lake City. I enjoy being here, as I said, because of all the beautiful mountains all around us. And
yeah, I remember
when it is
they closed that was closed
clean
down.
air, it's a beautiful city to see through.
Yeah. Oh. Watch out, boy. Hello. Should have put the other collar on her. The one I gave to Lola. Or it's probably Lola's collar, but that's cool. She's doing good with the harness. They had cheap ones at Five Below harnesses. Yeah. Just something, you know. I would like to get them walked more. Yes, yes.
Getting that cardio in as well as the dogs getting
Dogs
some
walked.
walking going on because it's been snowing out and cold, and the dogs don't want to be out in that.
Not these Frenchies, anyways.
Yes, not the Frenchies. A little bit more delicate animals.
As far as weather, yeah. They can't get too cold, can't get too hot.
Biting its own tail, chasing his own tail.
She's all tangled.
Beautiful sunset going off. We're gonna go down soon. Always enjoy doing this in the summer and in the winter. Walking dogs. Looking at a beautiful scenery.
Jordan River. Oh shit. Lost Chloe. She's running. Chloe!
She's like, okay, let me run back the other way and make you
Where
chase
you going,
me.
mamas? Where you going, mamas?
I'm
Well, I mean, she's
free.
used to me taking her off leash. That's why I don't go this way. The other way, no one goes, so I take them off leash.
You know, she's stuck. I was like, if I step on her, will she just like yank herself back?
Well, yeah, I was thinking, don't. She's gonna get yanked hella good. Whoa, let's just tie up somebody rope.
I know. And I agreed, so. Right? Yes. That's marriage.
Again,
compromise.
those white tipped mountains all around us.
Oh, the park? Yeah. Another longboard and let these dogs pull me.
Airport is over that way, just a few miles away. Salt Lake City's international airport that has the longest, the longest terminals ever. To get to baggage claim, it'll take you 10, 15 minutes. But you got to travel there to get to places, so it's a hub for a lot of airlines. This feels nice and crisp today.
Yeah. Yeah. But how would we get over there? Where's the
soccer fields and all that back that way?
Yeah, it would go right there, yeah. The dogs would be free. Free.
Not much to do. We're waiting for the bank loans to fall through. Or bank loan, I should say, to fall through. And just picking out the houses, which we already done.
Them,
we're just going to go through the
see how she's all over
colors of outside and the inside colors.
They're puppies.
And set that up.
But now that it's
it
getting
only
warmer,
takes 20 to 25 days from the time of ordering. So we're just waiting for the loan to come through.
I was still high as a kite when you didn't see me.
And that would be a blessing. Like get the loan and move forward with this adventure and journey in my retirement plan.
That was all blur what I did with Draco. Uh-huh.
Whoa.
Wait,
Definitely is a beautiful day for a walk. A little crispy, but still all in all tolerable. They got all along there on the other side is all soccer fields and this and that for
You got fresh water on this side.
sports.
They're nowhere near as fresh water. I don't even think boiling that water would help.
No, that's what I was like. I had to say something. Fire.
Not local. You're good.
You can see more of those snow-tipped mountains up there, as opposed to when I first arrived, it was down here on the ground. Anthony's been breeding and facilitating a dog kennel for over a year now with these Frenchies. And he just got
this
5.
was a product of these two.
So that one is the mother of this one, and that's the father.
Yep.
And they just had a litter of 5 more beautiful puppies.